Are you stuck on what to pack? Keep watching for my foolproof packing method for a mini tropical getaway. For the best beauty and travel advice, please click on the link below and subscribe and click that little bell and you'll be notified when I upload a video every Tuesday of every week. If you're paralyzed when packing your suitcase or tote when you know you go on vacation, you're not alone. How many times have you stayed up late at night at the last minute deciding what to bring and what to wear? I'm going to share with you my foolproof packing method for a mini holiday. I have used this myself hundreds of times in my career as a flight attendant, both for leisure travel and also for my job. And I've also shared it with my friends and family, and now it's your turn. First, there's the 16 essential items that you're going to need to pack. Now, if you're going away for less than 5 or 7 days, you could pick 12 of these items and get the same results. So let's get started, numbers 1 through 16. Now let's start with item number 1, is a pair of white jeans. Number 2 are going to be your denim jeans, but you're going to wear these on the airplane. Number 3 and 4, you're going to bring 2 ruanas with you. Now, I have here a black one that is going to double as a bathing suit cover-up, and you can bring this floral print one, just put over a white t-shirt. The next item you're going to bring is a white button-down shirt. This one happens to be from American Eagle, and it is a linen cotton blend, and I love it because you can tie it and it looks great. The 6th item is a striped tee. I love this one from Target because it has stretch to it. This packing video, I like the short sleeve shirt because we're going to a tropical vacation. The next shirt is a graphic tee. Now I suggest that you wear this on the airplane, maybe with a leather bomber jacket or a long sweater over it. The next is a plain white t-shirt. Again, I like this one because of the pretty detailing on the sleeves. This one I think was $12 from Target with a v-neck, and I love it. It's a little longer on the back, which makes it really great with skinny jeans. The 9th piece is this adorable little camisole top. This one happens to be from A&E. It's longer in the back, great with both shorts, and it's also great with jeans. And what I love is you can put the ruana or a sweater over it. Okay, the 10th item is a pair of leggings. I love these. These are also from Target with the modern stripe. These are really stretchy, and these can double as pajamas. They're great for workout pants, or if you just want to go down to the coffee bar in your hotel. I love these two together just to go down and grab something to eat in the morning. This is just a great pant to have, and it washes and dries really fast. The 11th item is this beautiful sarong that I got in Hawaii. I love black, white, and beige. It's universally flattering. You can use this as a dress. You can wrap it around your bathing suit. You can use it as a scarf. I just love this, and you should always have a sarong with you on a vacation. Number 12 is this bathing suit. I bought this 3 years ago at Target. It is so attractive. I love that it has the higher neckline with the halter, which is flattering for my pear-shaped figure. You can wear it underneath the maxi skirt, and it looks like a shirt, and then you could put like the white blouse over it. You can get so many looks with this bathing suit. Number 13 is a pair of shorts. I have these black and white cute shorts. These are from Walmart. They have a cute little tie. They're great as a bathing suit cover-up. And like I said, with this cute shirt with the tie front, this is really cute. Number 14 is a maxi dress, and I love this one from Mark Avon because it has the V neckline. It's a nice stretchy material. It's casual. You could wear this with flip-flops. You could wear it to the beach over your bathing suit. You could wear this to dinner with a ruana or a beautiful necklace and a cute pair of shoes. 15 is this really cute cotton maxi skirt. This one I've had for years. This is a Walmart buy. I swear to you, I think this was $7.99. It has an elastic waist, so if you're going on a cruise, you don't have to worry about eating. It has a shark bite hem. It's a midi length. It's really attractive, and you could make it look young and hip with this cute graphic tee, or you could dress it up with this tee with the pretty ruffles. The last item, number 16, is this really cute from Target. I think it's Gilligan O'Malley, and this is a nightgown, and it's a midi nightgown. It falls like a dress, and the great thing about this is it's light, it's easy to pack. I'm not kidding you. If you put this on with a belt over it and a ruana or a little short crop sweater, you can totally get a dress out of this, bringing things that double and do double duty. Okay, let's talk about the last couple things I would recommend. Would be a bralette. It's just a stretchy rayon kind of bandeau top. It's a little gathered in the front, and I have gotten so much use out of this because if you're wearing a dress with a spaghetti strap like this, then you don't want to wear a really uncomfortable strapless bra. And if you don't have a bathing suit on, something like this, I would get one in nude and one in black. You can get them at American Eagle, has a great selection of bralettes, Victoria's Secret, and I know there are tons of other places. You can get them at Marshall's. These hold you in and they give you a little bit of support, especially if you're below a D. I'm a D, I'm a 30-60. So this holds me in and it looks great underneath clothes, and I don't have to wear the bra with the clear straps. It's a little more comfortable. I love wearing this skirt with this little bralette and then wearing like this shirt over it open, kind of like if you would have a bikini on, like maybe you used to in the old days. I know I did. I wore bikinis with little maxi skirts and then a little sweater over it, but those days are over for me right now anyway. If you love to exercise and you think you'll be running on the beach in the morning, then I suggest just another bralette. These are so small that they're not really going to affect your packing. Now let's move on to the bonus items. There's a few other things I just want to share with you. Shoes. I recommend 3 pairs of shoes, tennis shoes, flip-flops or slides for comfort walking and just getting around, and maybe 1 pair of wedges or a pair of dressy flats that you love. I can tell you, depending on where you go, it's casual in most tropical getaway vacations. I would also recommend bringing a couple scarves. I love this bright one that I got years ago at Mango. It's just this gorgeous coral orange and white. It goes great with black, white, and cream. And if you're wearing a basic plain t-shirt and you don't want to wear jewelry, it gives you a pop of color. I would bring 1 foldable beach hat. This one I've had forever and ever. This one is from Tommy Bahama. I love it. You can move it around, you could flip it back. I love that it rolls down so it can fit into my bag. Now you know how to pack to make your travel adventure easier. But what about your beauty products? I've created a 2-page downloadable free PDF guide. I'll put the link below on how to travel successfully with your beauty products from when you leave the house through the airport to your destination and home again. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with a girlfriend, or leaving a comment. I love to hear what you have to say about your packing and travel tips, and I learn from all of you every day.